Hi everyone, welcome back to Jolie Knots. I'm Crystal, and today I'm going to be sharing with you, I guess you'd say, a little bit of a time lapse in making my boho floral star square. And what I'm doing is I'm making one square applique for the front of one of my journals. I'm leaving off the sixth of the 7 rounds, but I'm doing it double time here just to show you guys for the advanced crocheters that maybe want to make the square a little bit smaller. So I'm just going to walk you through the pattern. I will leave the link to the full pattern and tutorial down below in the description box. The tutorial is a newer tutorial that I have refilmed for those beginning crocheters, just because this was one of the first videos I did and it wasn't so great. So I will leave the updated link down there. Okay, so before we get started in the pattern, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell so you can get notified when new content releases. I am literally like 170 subscribers away from 75,000 subscribers. So if you can help me get there, that would be amazing. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with round 1. You've already seen me get started, but the first thing that you are going to do for this is to chain 8, and then you're going to slip stitch to your first chain to create a ring. Then you're going to single crochet 16 times into that ring and slip stitch to join it. Now the next round, round 2, is what you have just saw me get started on right here. Is you're going to chain 4 in your first stitch once you slip stitch to join your 16 single crochets, and that's going to count as a double crochet and a chain 1. Then you're going to double crochet into the next single crochet, and here's your repeat: chain 1, double crochet into the next single crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the next single crochet, all the way around. So you should have 16 double crochets and 16 chains in between those double crochets, and that's going to complete your round 2. Now your round 3 is to chain 3. It is going to count as a double crochet, and then you're going to put 2 double crochets into like that chain space that you slip stitched into to close your round 2. So you'll put 2 double crochets in there. So you're gonna have 3 double crochets into that first chain space, and then you're gonna go straight into single crocheting into the next chain space. Okay, now here's your repeat: into the next chain space, 3 double crochets, 3 chains, 3 double crochets, single crochet into the next chain space. So that's your 2 spaces. Into the next one, 3 double crochet, 3 chains, 3 double crochet, into the next chain space, single crochet. So we're basically creating the petals of our flower. Okay, now when you get to the end of this round, you're going to come to a single crochet, and then your last stitch you're going to have 3 double crochets already. Now you're going to add 3 more double crochets into that last space where you started. And then you're going to single crochet to the top of your first, to the top of the 3rd chain, because your first double crochet was a chain 3. That's going to kind of set you up to work into the top of your first petal. So now in the top of your first petal, this is going to be round 4, you're going to single crochet into that same space, And then this is a super easy round, okay? Chain 3, then into the top of the next petal, 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, then chain 3, then into the top of the next petal, single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets into the top of the next petal. So we're basically just switching off. You're going to have a single crochet in one, and then 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet in the other, and we're switching off. That's your repeat. Okay, and then you are going to, after you get to the end of the round, you are going to have 3 chains, and then you're going to slip stitch to the top of the single crochet to join. Okay, so we are going to, yes, we're beginning round 5. So in where we are going to chain 2, and then we're going to front post double crochet around that first single crochet. And then we're going to put 3 double crochets into that chain 3 space. So 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space, and then 1 double crochet on top of each of the next 3 double crochets. And then we're going to make our corner. Now this corner is going to be like a regular corner. It's 3 double crochets, chain 2, and then 3 double crochets. This is the only time we're chaining 2 instead. And then we'll have 3 double crochets, 1 on top of each of the next 3 double crochets, 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space, and then front post double crochet around that single crochet when you come up to it. So it's really simple. We're just creating that double crochet round all the way around, but when you get to your single crochet, you're doing it as a front post, and that's just kind of like bringing up the petal a little bit closer to the front so it doesn't really get lost in the mix. It's got a tad of a little bit of a 3D type of effect. So you're just going to make your way all the way around that. You repeat for each side, your corner, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3 double crochets, 1 on top of each of the 3 double crochets. Following your corner, 3 double crochet in the chain 3 space, front post double crochet around the single crochet, 3 double crochet in the chain 3 space, and 3 double crochet, 1 on top of each of the next, and then start your corner all over again. Now this is, we're skipping the next round just to make this square a little bit smaller for my journal. And the next round is a fillet round. Now if you want to go ahead and go around and do a fillet round before your single crochet round to end it, that's totally fine. It's going to make it a little bit bigger. The point of making this was to do a smaller square and kind of just talk to those advanced crocheters out there and give them just a little bit of a different way to use the square, or how to adjust it if you don't know how to adjust it already, or to the beginner crocheters out there that can want to go back to the video and learn how to make the square as a full or as a whole, and also give you different ideas on how to use the appliques. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and finish out this round here on the video, and then like I said, I'm just finishing out the next round, which would be the 6th round. This whole square is just 6 rounds with a single crochet border. Now when I'm doing my single crochet border, all I'm doing, I'm not actually making corners, I'm just doing 3 single crochets into each of the chain 2 spaces. Then work my single crochets all the way down the side, 3 single crochets again into the corner space, and you're just going to repeat that all the way around until you get to your first single crochet, and go ahead and slip stitch to join. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I really appreciate you being here. I hope that you've enjoyed this super quick kind of time-lapse tutorial. Again, if you need the slower version, I do have it linked down below in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe for creative content, and share with your friends. Thank you for joining me.